Ever wondered how you can take your game from looking like this to this? We'll keep watching to find out. Hey there, Simmas. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can take your game from looking boring and bland to looking amazing, sexy, and visible, which is very important for some games. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and keep watching. To start, we're going to go into our NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, and we're going to access our game filter. In the game filter, we're going to choose a style, and we're going to click Add Filter. From here, we're going to choose a couple different ones. We're going to start off with color. And with color, we're going to go with tint color 0%, tint intensity 0%, temperature 0, vibrance 100. So we move on to the next one. And we go sharpen 60%, and ignore film grain 100. So this will take us from looking like this, giving us a little bit of a competitive advantage to seeing things a little bit more clearly. And we go into brightness, exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, and gamma. So exposure is 0%, contrast is 30%, highlights is -6%, shadows is -80%, and gamma is 10%. And this will give you that transformative look from this into this. Keep watching to see some gameplay with it looking spectacular. Enjoy, Simmas.
What we say? Tense?
Yeah, always tense, bro. Just a spot.
Target down!
That might have been it.
Thank you.
Love it.
Oh, you ain't rusty, mate. You ain't rusty.
That's what I'm saying.
Bounty target is down. Well done.
Beautiful.
Yeah, these.
Nice shimmer.
Drop.
Watch the side.
Contact.
One in there, bro. Throw one
Yeah,
over
just
it.
hit it. I just did it.
Taking fire!
No, like it's nothing, mate.
I used to finish it, but yeah. It's not efficient,
Oh,
bro.
I'm right outside. Running.
Yeah, I got him. Good shit, man. Well played. Where's my knife gone? Back. Oh, I got it. Get his thing out.
Holy baby.
Positive ID on the bounty target. Sort them out.
He landed on you, Tim. Another one just landed on your roof. Right, just in case.
Oh, I love
Not
it.
headed your way.
Contact.
Live ping. Oh, that's phenomenal. Oh, shots, boys.
Target down.
Snipe in prison. Middle window, top.
Chemical engineer.
Yeah, I'm pushing top prison.
Contact.
I flank these kids.
Losing ground. Be it. I'm under fire. An enemy team is hunting you.
Coming
Stay
actual.
alert.
Send recon.
Top as well.
Up top.
No, he's come down to me.
Oh, okay.
Hostiles dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
Let's go.
Be advised. RTB
There we go. Bro, we're just fucking eating these guys.
Be advised, UAV is being
Join
ordered.
them.
RTB for resupply.
I want to kill these guys here, but He's in the top window, like a level below the very top.
Target down.
He's still there. He's still there.
Yep.
Guaranteed anyway. Me and Crash Steven.
Plays him.
He's in the zone.
Targets remain.
No!
Let's
Did you
go!
get it? No.
I got it, bro. I got it. Let's go.